Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love it. If you're returning, how are you today? Well, I was out in my garden and my dog started going nuts. You want to see why? Look what's up on the fence. I'm afraid to get close. It's got stripes on it. You little sumbitch. It's black and white stripe. You see it? Ridley tried to get it because that's what he does. And of course, I'm in my greenhouse, right? And I'm like, oh God, stay over here. He's all black with white stripes. So if any of you, I'm gonna back away. I'm gonna back away. So if any of you know what that is, let me know. Ridley, what are you eating? What are you eating? You see this contraption here? I had to do this because my dogs have decided to dig underneath the fence. And one night, if you remember, we were doing a live with Trish, and I had to run out here and physically remove Penelope from underneath the fence. This is what they were doing. They were digging. So I had to put tires and chicken wire and cinder blocks so they can't get underneath that part of the fence anymore. So that was my solution to that. But they keep moving the cinder blocks, these dogs. So, what you doing? So anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm doing in my greenhouse. I've got my trash cans full of soil and compost and cow manure. I'm going to be planting herbs today. So we've got sage, we've got this. This is tung ho. This is actually chrysanthemum. Okay. Lemon balm, lavender. This is coneflower, but this is actually echinacea. Chives, rosemary, cilantro, basil, chamomile, and thyme. So that's what I'm doing in my greenhouse today, because like I said, I'm going to be greenhouse gardening this year. We're going to be focusing on herbs and citrus plants, like citrus trees and things like that. So in about a week, I'll bring you guys back out here, because it doesn't really take long for herbs to start to grow, okay? So as you can see, I already have my pots filled with soil, compost, and cow manure, which is my favorite combination. So you can see what I got going on here. But I will take pictures and show you what my citrus trees look like out front, because we planted, hang on. Oh, Jesu. We planted lemon tree, kumquat tree, and a ruby red grapefruit tree out front. And that was at the request of our son. So we did that, okay? And I'll bring it over here because this is where we had our garden last year, if you remember. And it just got destroyed because of all the rain that we had last year. It was awful. So this little guy right here, this is tangerine, okay? And tangerines already grew. We picked them off. We ate them. They were amazing. And some are growing already. So I picked them off. I really did. They were so good. And our fig trees, they're coming back. They're doing all right, you know. And our banana trees are doing really well. Where we had 3 banana trees, we now have 5 because they came back significantly. That's what happens when you plant banana trees. One doesn't just grow in place of it. 2 or 3 grow in place of one. And here's papaya. So this is our little fruit tree garden over in the back here. And then we've got 3 growing in front. But we're not done yet, kids. Oh, no. We're not done. So, you know, as soon as funds come available for us, because, you know, funds are running a little low, you know, because Sean's hours got cut, you know, because, well, I shouldn't say they got cut. Overtime is no longer available, and that's what we were used to, you know. So, as soon as funds come available, more trees are going to be planted. But I don't know if I'm going to be planting them out back here or over here. I don't know. Or if I'm going to be doing it in the front yard. I don't want to busy up my front yard too much. I really don't. You know, here in this back corner would be nice, but it's a little too shady all the time, you know, because of, see all these trees up here? A little too shady. So I would like to, you know, plant some more trees back here. Oh, well, let me show you something really exciting. We've got grapes growing. We do. Hang on, you're going to see the busyness of living in Tampa. Yay! See that? Can you see them? There's little grapes. Here's more. Oh, look. Can you see them? Is that a good angle? See those little guys, those little BB looking things? Those are grapes. So, we're really excited. I would like to plant more, you know, grapevines along the fence. That would be awesome. Can you imagine having those vines just growing along this entire fence? How beautiful would that be? So, you know, that's what Sean and I are going to be working on possibly this summer. Planting more grapevines, more citrus trees, and really amping up our herb garden this year. So, that's all for this video, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, and as always, fearless.